Hi everyone and welcome in this new video. Today we are going to learn how to create ordered list and unordered list in HTML. In our last video we discussed the basic structure of HTML page and what are the different tags which help us to create the basic web page. We also learned that at some point of time in the web browser window, we would like to give a name to the browser tab, how we can use the title tag for the same and give the required name. So let's get started to understand which tags are responsible to create a numbered list or an ordered list. For this, we will go inside the body tag and we will use OL tag. Now OL here refers to ordered list and it is a container tag, so we can make the end tag as well. Whenever we are going to create any list, we should have list elements as well. Therefore, we are going to use li tag here, which will help us to list our elements in the list. Now, because my topic says favorite destination places, so I am going to write 3 or 4 destination places which I like to go. Now, one thing that you need to mark here is that li can be used as a container tag or as an empty tag. So if you have a start and an end tag, you can use it as a container tag, and even if you are not making an end tag, it still helps you to add the list items. So both of the ways can be used in HTML. And the third destination here I am writing as Australia. Now since my list is complete, let's save this file and see the output. When I will save and refresh, you can see I have a total ordered or numbered list starting by default with 1. But how about if I would like to give a heading on the top as well? For that, I will go just after the body tag and I will write the highest heading, that is H1, biggest in size, and I would like to write the same heading as what my title says. And again, since I made the change in the file, I will save it, refresh, and now I have a heading related to my list as well. So you can see it is so easy to create an ordered list which always start numbering from 1. But how about if I do not want to have the preferences or the order in my list? I would like to make a list which is unordered. For that purpose, we are going to make just a small change in the program. In place of OL, we will write UL. UL stands for unordered list. We will also make the ending tag as UL and will save the file. We do not need to make any other change in the list. We'll just save and refresh, and you can see that in place of numbers, now we have bullets or disk. In HTML, these bullets are referred as disk and they are considered as the default unordered list symbol. I hope this video is simple and it helps you to learn very easily how to create an ordered and unordered list in HTML. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.